Rental contracts in Missouri are agreements between property owners or landlords and anyone who wants to rent space on their property. The condition of the monthly payments, the lease term, and the rules to which the renter must adhere while on the property are all covered under the rental agreements. As someone from Missouri myself and who owns residential property, I'm excited to talk to you about Missouri residential lease agreements. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. Like I said, today I'll be covering all things Missouri rental agreements for residential properties, including what should be included, disclosures, and some other great tips. So let's hop right in with what you should include. According to Missouri's rental laws, there are a few things that need to be included in the rental agreement, and this includes a warranty of habitability. Landlords in Missouri are required to make sure all of the rental properties are suitable for people to live in. On the other hand, the state does not stipulate which utilities must always be available. In any event, the law requires landlords to complete the required repairs as soon as possible. Missouri landlords are also required to provide tenants with information about security deposits. Maximum amounts do apply in the state. Missouri landlord-tenant laws state that a landlord may not demand a security deposit worth more than 2 months' rent. A Missouri renter must provide 1 month notice of their intent to terminate a month-to-month rental contract. However, a fixed-term contract can be canceled early due to harassment by the landlord, active military duty, or unsuitable living environment for an extended period. Moreover, in Missouri, non-payment of rent, engaging in criminal activity, and violating the terms of an agreement can all be grounds for an eviction. Only a breach of the lease, however, requires prior tenant notice, at least 10 days. As far as rent goes, landlords in Missouri have the freedom to increase rental prices as much as they want, anytime they would like, with no prior warning or justification. Likewise, they can impose virtually any fee as long as it's clearly stated in the lease agreement. Bounced or returned checks cost are an exception, and they are limited to $30 per transaction. Now, let's talk about disclosures. Landlords must make the following disclosures if applicable. Lead-based paint. According to the federal law, all properties in the United States that were built before 1978 may have lead-based paint. Landlords must therefore warn tenants about the potential dangers in the lease agreements. Landlord's name and address. To ensure the legal notices reach the right person, landlords, property managers, and anyone else with the right to act on behalf of the landlord must state their name and address on the rental agreements. Methamphetamine contamination. If a landlord is aware of any potential methamphetamine contaminations, he or she must include it in the Missouri lease agreement. Now that you know the basics of what to include, you may be looking for an easy way to draw up a lease agreement. In that case, you kind of have two options. You could go for a free Missouri lease agreement building tool or a more customizable paid version like the one offered by DoorLoop. While a free form or lease builder may seem like a great option, you'll find that it offers way too little of customization. So what is DoorLoop? DoorLoop gives landlords and real estate investors the ability to choose from several professional templates and personalize them to their heart's content. Thanks to the clever autofill feature, you can save time when creating your next rental agreement. With other innovative features such as tenant screening, accounting, and so much more, DoorLoop will be your most invaluable asset to your business. So make sure to click the link in the description to schedule a free demo and learn about DoorLoop. With DoorLoop, you get e-signatures on your leases done within minutes. You can also create reusable lease templates that take seconds to customize for each tenant, since they can be autofilled with all of the tenant's information. DoorLoop also integrates with popular listing syndication sites like Zillow, Trulia, HotPads, Apartments.com, and more, so you can attract tenants on autopilot. You can also make sure you're bringing in the best tenants by screening your prospects in seconds through DoorLoop. If you need to draw up a detailed, professional Missouri residential lease agreement that adheres to federal and state laws, you now have the information you need. You can use our short guide and DoorLoop to quickly and easily create a rental agreement to safeguard your business. I really hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!